How you will know your baby is getting enough milk? You know, we obviously want to see if the baby has a very good latch. It will not be that smacking sound. That is not how to know your baby is getting enough milk. That does not show your baby is getting enough milk. Okay, now you watch out for this deep latch and this obvious movement for you to know your baby is getting enough milk, like this. You see, it will be moving. The sucking reflexes will be seeing it here. It will be obvious. And sometimes the ear will be wiggling. It will be moving. Not the smacking sound. That does not mean your baby is getting enough milk. That is not how you will know your baby is getting enough milk. And secondly, the feast test. When you put a hungry baby to breast, the feast is like this. When they're getting full, it becomes like this. Getting fuller and full, they will release it. That is another way for you to know that your baby is getting enough milk. How many diapers is the baby wetting a day? 4 to 6 wet diaper is enough. And 3 to 4 dirty diaper, the kind of yellowish mustard stew, that's a perfect one. Then the baby is gaining weight. You take the baby to the pediatrician has confirmed that your baby is gaining weight. And even without taking the baby to the pediatrician, you can obviously see your baby is adding up flesh on the cheek. The baby is looking very active. Baby is meeting the developmental milestones. When baby sucks, baby will suck on your breast to the extent to suck and doze off. They get drunk with your breast milk. You can see they are drunk in it, so they doze off. Sometimes they push the nipple out. Sometimes when they slip off, the nipple will just slide out from their mouth, and sometimes you see their cheeks shiny from a lot of milk that they've taken. Like, you can obviously see that this baby is full. Then the baby will knock off and sleep, and baby is gaining weight. And for the mother, how you yourself will know that you are feeding your baby nicely and your baby is getting enough milk from your boobs. When you put your baby to breast, after feeding your breast, when you touch it, it feels lighter, it feels empty. And when you also put your baby to breast, there's right down reflexes. When the baby is sucking from here, you're feeling some tingling sensation as the oxytocin is doing its work. The milk is coming down, it's entering the baby's mouth. You're feeling some tingling sensation, and that's the let down reflex. On the other breast, on the right one, will be pouring out milk. Some will even look like tap. They just be open. So that's some of how you will know that your baby is getting enough milk. So for you, that mother that has been asking, that is worried, oh, my baby is not getting enough milk because I cannot measure it, I have to pour it in the bottle first. No, you don't have to pour it in the bottle first for you to know that your baby is getting enough milk. There's what we call nipple confusion. When you keep feeding your baby with the teat and then go back to the nipple, some babies, they get confused. Some babies, they find it easier to suck from the bottle. So when you put nipple on their mouths to breastfeed, they don't want to take it. That's nipple confusion. They are being confused, so they don't want to take the nipple. They just want the bottle. Easier to suck. It's that the letdown is amazing. They don't need to suckle before the milk starts coming out. So you've listened up to this point. Follow for tips that will change your life. I remain Midwife Vivian. See you. Bye.